Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. In this video, I explain basic concept of artificial neural network. Neural network, it consists of two functions. One is net function and second is activation function. So remember, neural network consists of two functions, net function and activation function. Neural network that we discussed previous two parts, net function and activation function. Some authors said that activation function is also called transfer function. So other name of activation function is transfer function. Neural network. Here is the flow chart of neural network. The actual output depends upon the transfer function that is chosen. So different types of transfer functions are available that we discuss in our next videos. So actual output depends upon transfer function. So now we discuss this flow chart. Suppose we have dataset y1, y2, yj, so on, yn. This is our input data which is represented by variable y. So weights are assigned to each data point, which is w1, w2, so on wj, so on wn. So this whole part is called net function. This sum means we sum our data point with weights. y1 w1 plus y2 w2 plus so on yj wj so on plus yn wn plus assign theta, which is called bias, plus theta. So this whole function, the name of this whole function, which is net function, is represented by mu. Here it is represented by mu. So after applying net function, we apply transfer function. So transfer function, after applying transfer function, we got output, which is the output that is obtained from artificial neural network. This is the input data set and A is the output. The net function determines how network inputs, network yj, where j varies from 1 to n, are combined inside neurons. So these are the neurons, each data point represent one neuron. So this net function determines how network inputs combine. How we combine into one neuron, this sum means combine. This is the mathematical form of weighted linear. So we apply, here we understand this example with the help of linear combination. So mu is equal to j varies 1 to n wj yj plus theta. So this is the net function. Its mathematical form is sum of yj wj plus theta. This we use this net function by using linear transformation. Other categories also are available like quadratic, delta. We discuss other types of net input in our next videos. So here we understand only this with the help of linear transformation. Mu is equal to j varies 1 to n wj yj plus theta. So by applying this equation, we got net function. And here wj is which varies from 1 to n is the parameter, which is also called synaptic weights, and theta is the bias or threshold. We also called bias as offset. So these three names are bias, threshold and offset. So what is bias? Bias is much like a weight, except that it has a constant input 1. So w and theta are adjustable scale parameter, because when we provide data points to a neural network after using net function and then transformation function, we got a value. If this value is not closer to our target value, Then we repeat the same whole process again, and we adjust our W and theta. So W and theta, which is weights and bias, are adjustable parameters. So bias theta is also an adjustable scale parameters. It is not an input, but we assign a constant 1 to derive the equation, and must be treated in the dependent in linear dependence case. So here we understand practically with the help of single neuron, not multiple data points, but we have only one data point, and how we perform this procedure. So understand here, a neuron is a processing unit which have some input and only one output. Here we have a single value which is y, and we assign a one weight which is w, and this sum means we summing this because we solve this with the help of linear transformation. So yw plus theta, mu is equal to yw plus theta, and here we apply a function which is f, which is called transfer function. So a is equal to f of wy plus theta. Here w is 3, y is equal to 2, and theta is equal to minus 1.5. Because bias is an adjustable parameter, we increase or decrease this parameter, and w is also an adjustable parameter. So we have these values. After applying these values to the function, we got 4.5. So to this value 4.5, we apply a transfer function, different types of transfer functions like y transfer function, exponential, hard limit. We discuss all these transformation functions in our next videos. So we got a single value which is represented by a, and this a is the output of neural network. So the actual output depends upon transfer function. If you want to see videos on what is Euclidean distance, how we perform Euclidean distance in SPSS, in Excel, in MATLAB, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.